FloridaStudents.org is another good resource. I'll use these tutorials especially for sub plans. So if there's a day that you're going to be out, these are tutorials that students are able to do and complete independently. Sometimes if I find a really good tutorial, I will do it with the students and share my screen. But these are all organized by standard. So for example, if we go into math and let's look for one of the standards that we're working on. So K through 5, mathematics grade 1, and let's see, it'll show you the standards over here. Sometimes they have standards that we're working on, sometimes they don't. So sometimes I won't use it, but counting to 120, that's one that we're working on. NBT 2.2 is one that we're working on. It says other resources, so it doesn't have a tutorial. So let's go in here, original tutorial, filling in a 120 chart. Now this specific tutorial I do have, it's a bit of a review, so I do have it in my sub plans on those 2 sub days, so I wouldn't necessarily use this one again. But I just wanted to share with you what it looked like and how to insert it into our Google Classroom if you need be. So again, these are tutorials that the students will go through. It will introduce it to them, and then they all have it'll introduce the objective to them, it'll have practice, it'll introduce the chart, and they can't just skip it. It won't allow them to just go to the next one. So here they get to practice and drag the rows. There's different activities for them to do. So these are all good tutorials. So to share it to your Google Classroom, once you find a tutorial that you like, click this share button right here and then click Google Classroom. Again, you'll choose the class that you want to assign it to, how you would like to assign it. I always create an assignment and then you name it. So I'll put this for math. And I'm just going to put it for today, even though we're not really doing this. I'm just showing you. And then set your days, and then you can schedule it. And it's that simple. So again, you can view it when the students see it in the Google Classroom and they click on it, they will just click the link. And the link takes them straight to the tutorial where there is no login or anything.